Hey everyone, it's Brian back with Inspiring How You See That. We're the channel that talks about all different kinds of music and entertainment, brings you inspirational stories, and talks to some of your favorite artists. So if that sounds good, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down below, and you'll keep up with everything that Kevin and I are putting out there. And today we're back with a brand new What's New, and I want to talk about a cover song from a new artist that I recently found out about, and her name is Alexandra Parasca. Now, you may have seen her in a video before. She's actually part of the Romanian group Shut Up and Kiss Me. And Shut Up and Kiss Me does a lot of cover songs, and my dad found them on YouTube, showed them to me, and I absolutely love what these kids are doing. And so they have three main singers, one of them being Alexandra Parasca. And the song I want to talk about is her cover of Kelly Clarkson's Because of You. And I gotta tell you, she did a beautiful job at this song. I'm going to go into more detail. I'm going to do a full artist spotlight on Alexandra, but for now I just want to talk about her cover of Because of You. She's got this beautiful, soft, sweet voice, but she can also bring the power, and she's so smooth going between the two, and it's incredible how she's able to do that on this song. Now, you can actually watch the full video. We'll put the link below. Not only is she part of Shut Up and Kiss Me, but she's part of the Ramp SMOKIN Dudes Records YouTube channel. And that's where you can find this and a lot of her other videos. And again, I think this was... I've heard this song covered by a number of different people. Of course, the original by Kelly Clarkson was great. The duet she did with Reba McEntire was fantastic, and I've heard others. But I really think the way that Alexandra did this is probably my favorite version. Again, I love her voice. I love her control. And she nails this song Because of You. So check it out and let me know what you think of her cover and what you think of Alexandra as a whole. And as always, we want to thank you guys for spending this time with us. We love you all. God bless and rock on.